Cast. Verb. To direct one's eyes, gaze, etc. Cast. Verb. To perform, bring forth a magical spell or enchantment. Cast. Verb. To throw light, etc. on or upon something, or in a given direction. Cast. Verb. To shape molten metal, etc. by pouring into a mold, to make an object in such a way. Cast. Verb. To twist or warp of fabric, timber, etc. Cast. Verb. To deposit a ballot or voting paper, to formally register one's vote. Cast. Noun. An act of throwing. Cast. Noun. Something which has been thrown, dispersed, etc. Cast. Noun. A small mass of earth thrown off or excreted by a worm. The area near the stream was covered with little bubbly worm casts. Cast. Noun. The collective group of actors performing a play or production together. Contrasted with crew. He's in the cast of Oliver. The cast was praised for a fine performance. Cast. Noun. The casting procedure. Cast. Noun. An object made in a mold. The cast would need a great deal of machining to become a recognizable finished part. Cast. Noun. A supportive and immobilizing device used to help mend broken bones. The doctor put a cast on the boy's broken arm. Cast. Noun. The mold used to make cast objects. A plaster cast was made from his face. Cast. Noun. A squint. Cast. Noun. Visual appearance. Her features had a delicate cast to them. Cast. Noun. The form of one's thoughts, mind, etc. A cast of mind, a mental tendency. Cast. Noun. An animal, especially a horse, that is unable to rise without assistance. Cast. Noun. Animal and insect remains which have been regurgitated by a bird. Cast. Noun. A group of crabs. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.